where scale meets sustainability. Spanning 23,410 hectares of proven grazing land, this exceptional property offers the foundation for a thriving livestock enterprise supported by decades of successful agricultural production. A large storage facility with integrated office space and dedicated auctioning facilities, providing a versatile hub for operations, administration, and livestock marketing on the farm. Supporting the farm's daily operations are 6 worker houses, providing practical on-farm accommodation for staff and contributing to the efficient management of this established livestock enterprise. Designed for efficient and sustainable livestock production, this well-planned farming operation features 80 grazing camps and comprehensive livestock handling facilities. The established camp system supports effective rotational grazing, improved veld management, and streamlined day-to-day livestock operations across the property. With an average annual rainfall of approximately 250 millimeters, the farm benefits from reliable natural water resources that support sustainable grazing and long-term livestock production. For more than 30 years, this farm has built a reputation for producing quality Dorper genetics. Home to approximately 2,000 renowned stud Dorper sheep, the operation stands as a testament to decades of dedicated breeding excellence and proven livestock performance. Water security is a key strength of this operation, with 24 reliable water supply points consisting of windmills and solar-powered pumps strategically positioned across the property, ensuring dependable water access throughout the grazing areas. Adding to the farm's unique appeal is approximately 6,000 hectares of untouched Kalahari terrain, where rolling red sand dunes stretch across the landscape, creating a truly iconic and picturesque grazing environment. own a remarkable piece of the Kalahari. Offered at R92,070,000 this established sheep farming legacy combines scale, proven production, exceptional infrastructure, and over 3 decades of agricultural excellence.